Hello everyone, I will teach you how to make a mask.
Okay, so we have Vihan with us over here today, and welcome to the Jugaad Science channel. We are going to make very simple mask from the material which is available at home. So here we have a polypropylene bag, the purple colored bag that you can see. We get it very easily in grocery stores, and I have a piece of silk cloth from an old sari. Right and we are going to sandwich this piece of silk cloth in between the two layers of the polypropylene bag. Before we do that, let us understand the science behind it. So what we are going to do is we are going to rub our polypropylene bag with the piece of silk cloth vigorously for 10 seconds. Vihan, can you take these two and rub together, please? Yes, take that bag off. Yes, and rub it. So here you can rub it for 10 seconds vigorously. And then we will bring this near the small bits of paper that we have here. So you can see here, on bringing the bag material near the pieces of paper, the bits of paper have stuck on to the bag. This is because when we are rubbing this bag with the silk cloth acquires a positive charge and the piece of the bag acquires a negative charge. So now what we are going to do is we are going to now make a mask out of it. So we have made this small pocket out of the bag, and now we will sandwich this piece of cloth, silk cloth, in the pocket. Yes, and then we are going to stitch it, put elastic bands at the two ends, and make our mask. Okay kids, so our mask is ready to wear. Now before wearing this mask, we will have to activate this mask. The meaning of activating is rubbing the mask together for 10 seconds and then wearing it so that it generates electricity, static electricity basically. This static electricity will help kill the virus. Vihan, can you rub the mask and activate it? This principle is based on the triboelectric series. So as discussed earlier, the outside of the mask becomes negatively charged and the inside becomes positively charged. You can see the triboelectric series in the diagram that I am showing here. Now Vihan, can you wear the mask? So see, it's a very simple mask, easy to wear. Encourage people around you to make this mask and wear. Educate people around you to stay safe, stay away from corona. Bye. Thank you.